Alright, Octane gang, I messed up. I didn't know what the hell I was doing. Had to call my boy CJ over here to get it right. So I had to get a whole nother steering wheel pulley kit. As you can see, the first one, it didn't work. So please stay away from that one. I think the screws.
Need some mongrels here.
Lambo 2 and I'm speeding. Sunday she calling me baby. You don't need know the meaning. Good gas got him fatty. Will it be me got him dreaming. All black got me trending. Red cool, red fending. Break the law, don't bend it. Say your money, don't spend it. Do the shit, don't think about it. Boy, your diamonds looking hella cloudy.
Alright, ran into another issue. It is what it is. But I do got this new iPhone 13 Pro. I got tags on the camera. Gotta edit that out. It's alright. This the little cinematic mode I was talking about. You can see how my hand come in and kind of blur everything out in the background. Kind of fire. I like it. Can't zoom in, zoom out when you got it on though. But yeah, had to get out the rain that they put in the garage. I still got to get 3 more Cooper Cobra Radiator GT tires. I really don't want to. I like the Goodyears a whole lot better, but they don't make them no more. Disgusted with myself. I may look on eBay, see if somebody got some in good condition. I am about to get my top done soon, so that's gonna be lit. She gonna be looking real good when I get that top put on. You know what I'm talking about? Yep. Still gotta get another. I might just go with the Coopers in the front. It's gonna be a little tacky, just to see how it run. I'm probably I'm gonna have to do my. I'm tripping. I'm bugging out. I do want to take these off. I hate these. It's always like the 442s better, cause I hate the trims. I can't stand that trimming. That shit looks stupid. I'm kind of in between whether I want to take the chrome running boards off or not. I don't know. They look good. But the old heads, they like all that chrome shit. I don't really be tripping on it. It's alright. Because I am missing one on this side, which that don't mean take them all off because I'm missing one, but I am missing one on this side right here. So, but I kind of like that look with the no chrome running boards on there. So, I don't know. She look good though. She solid for real. My garage is a little dirty. Don't judge me, bro. It's an older house. But oh shit. Camera start tripping. But yeah, that's it for real. Steering wheel for now. Distributor cap this weekend, oil change. Getting this done within the next month or so, whenever I can get around to it. I found the top. I just really looking for somebody who gonna do a good job and put it on for a nice price. Cause they've been trying to wax me. I don't know why they doing me like that. It's almost like they know me or something. Like, they don't even know me. Why you trying to charge me that much? But yeah, excuse me. I'm gonna have it right though. Can't wait. Definitely gonna put it back all the way stock, and I may buy a set of wheels. Just like a summertime thing or something. I don't know yet. We'll see. All right, everybody, get this thing another shot. You pulling the steering wheel? Mm-hmm. I just know out of all the videos I watched, mom's is gonna get the most hell. I just knew it. Okay, loose again. Fuck! All right, attempt number 3. Okay, loose again.
Yeah.
God damn it, man.
Goddamn bolt.